In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks with recurring subtasks in Todoist. Managing your tasks efficiently can greatly enhance productivity, and using Todoist makes it so much simpler. Whether you're planning your daily routine or preparing for a weekly meeting, setting up recurring tasks can save you time and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. First, let's get started by accessing Todoist. Open your web browser and type in app.todoist.com/login. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your credentials. This means inputting your registered email address followed by your password. Now, if you prefer a quicker login process, you can also choose to sign in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. Simply click on the respective option and you'll be guided through the login process swiftly. Now that we're logged in, let's explore how we can set up recurring tasks with subtasks. First, navigate to the project where you wish to add these tasks. In this project, we'll begin by creating your main task. Type your main task description in the input field, and here's a handy tip. Add the recurrence directly into the task title using natural language. For example, phrases like daily morning exercise or meeting prep every Friday work perfectly. Todoist is intelligent enough to recognize and highlight the recurring part of your title, automatically scheduling it according to your description. Once your main task is set up with its recurrence pattern, it's time to add subtasks. Click on the main task to open up its detailed view. There you'll find an option to add a subtask. Click the Add Subtask button and a new input field will appear under your main task. Here you can type in your subtask description. Similar to the main task, you can set its recurrence using natural language. Make sure that the recurrence schedule for your subtask aligns with the schedule of your main task for consistency. Just a little tip, for your subtasks to truly follow the main task's recurrence, both the parent task and each subtask should have matching recurrence patterns. This ensures that whenever the main task pops up in your schedule, the subtasks will follow suit and neither will get lost or appear unexpectedly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only set up a repeating schedule for your tasks, but also ensured that every element tied to your main goal is in sync. This method will undoubtedly make task management more seamless and keep your to-do list perfectly organized. Thanks for tuning in and happy planning with Todoist.